maybe you want to create an organization. Maybe your organization didn't exist. So you can come in here and just click Add New Organization. And so you would type in your organization. You could type a description. You can even put in things like, as you're putting your description, you can put in things like website links in here and some basic formatting stuff. You can choose sort of the type of organization, which the selection is a little confusing sometimes, but like citizens organization, which is generally like like I say, a watershed group. A corporation could actually be included, nonprofit organization, as well as a regular business, government, or in a lab. And the lab was actually more in there because of related to the fax program from years ago. You can put an organizational website associated with it, email address, location information, that sort of thing. So these other things are a little needs to be improved or changed a little bit, that they're not really necessary fields. And then you would just hit save. Once you created it, you could also edit an organization. For instance, Biomost. Maybe I'm not. I might not have that permission level set up, but you could go in there and yeah, I must not have that permission available for this user. But basically, you would hit the edit. You come over here, hit the edit button, and then you go and edit your information.